Welcome back to day 31 of Confidence to Cash 90-Day Sprint. We have reached an important milestone right here, friends. And I just want to congratulate you. 31 days. That's awesome. It's time to celebrate how far you've come to prepare your journey ahead. The first 30 days have been laying our foundation, and now we're going to build something extraordinary. So today we're going to focus on two critical elements that will determine your success: clarity and consistency. Clarity is the roadmap to success. It's knowing exactly where you're heading and why you're heading there. Without clarity, you're like a ship without a compass, drifting aimlessly in the vast ocean of possibilities. When you have clarity, every decision becomes easier because you're always asking yourself, does this move me one step closer to my goals? Consistency is the engine that drives your success forward. It's about showing up every single day, even when the motivation is low, even when the results aren't immediate. Think about building the muscle. You don't get stronger from one intense workout, but from being regular and consistent training over time. The same principle applies in building your business. When you combine clarity and consistency together, magical things happen. When your actions become more purposeful, your progress becomes more visible, and your goals become more achievable. So look back in the past 30 days, even those small wins, every lesson that's learned, even the connections that you've made, every single one of those connections. Now imagine multiplying those in the next 60 days. Let's talk about the practical application. So today's challenge is to get crystal clear about your vision in the next 60 days. Take out your journal and open to a fresh document. Write down exactly what success looks like for you by day 90. In this point, you want to be critical in every detail. What numbers do you want to hit? What impact do you want to make? What transformation do you want to create? Next, identify the big one, that big one result that would make the biggest difference in your business. This isn't about creating lengthy to-do lists. It's about focusing on that one outcome that matters most. Maybe it's launching your signature program. Maybe it's hitting a certain revenue goal or building a thriving community with ideal clients. Now let's establish your daily non-negotiables. These are the 3 key actions you're going to commit to doing every single day, no matter what. Think about the activities that directly contribute to your growth. Perhaps it's creating valuable content, nurturing your email list, or connecting to potential clients. These consistent actions will compound over time. Remember, success often looks boring before it becomes exciting. The entrepreneurs who achieve the biggest goals aren't always the most talented. They're the ones who stay in consistency and with the simple, effective actions over time. They understand those small steps taken consistently will lead to remarkable results. Your path to success is clear. It's about combining crystal clear vision with unwavering consistency. Think of the clarity as your destination, the consistency as your vehicle. One without the other won't get you where you want to go, but together they make you unstoppable. So as we wrap up today's session, I want you to take an immediate action. Get clear on your 60-day vision. Identify the one big result and establish the 3 daily non-negotiables. Your future success depends on the clarity that you create today and the consistency that you maintain tomorrow. Let's make the next 60 days count. And remember, you're still here. Most people have already given up by now. Congratulations, friend. I'll see you tomorrow.